Hey guys, what's up? So today we'll be checking out this TP-Link X20 WiFi 6 mesh system. The performance is amazing, so stay tuned to the video and I'll show you. Big thanks to TP-Link for sending me this router to review. I'm a big fan of their routers. In fact, one of my most popular videos was the review I did on their AX50 Wi-Fi 6 router. This is their next-gen Wi-Fi 6 AX1800 mesh system, also known as the Deco X20. I'll leave a link to it in the description below if you want to check it out. At the time of this video, it's going for less than $250 on Amazon. Some key advertised features are connect over 150 devices, faster Wi-Fi speeds up to 1800 megabits per second, covers up to 5800 square feet. It's also compatible with Amazon Alexa and it comes with HomeKey. They were also rated #1 in customer service, so that's pretty good. Let's take a closer look at the more detailed specs on the box for those of you who are interested. Here's a diagram of where you could place them for the best Wi-Fi experience. Let's take a look at this side. It also comes with a 2-year warranty and 24/7 tech support. Now let's unbox it and check it out. It's packaged pretty well. I opened the box upside down, but that's okay. They didn't fall out. They're pretty secure in the box. Here's one of the 3 decos. They're all identical. These are all the accessories to connect them. Let's open the accessory box and see what's inside. This is the power cable. This is the Ethernet cable and a quick start guide. Let's peel this plastic off. Here's a closer look at the Deco. You got the TP-Link branding right here in the front. On the back, you got the power port and 2 Ethernet ports. All 3 Decos are identical, so you get the same amount of Ethernet ports on the back. On the top, you have this nice design. On the bottom, you get these nice little vents, these non-slip pads, and the pinhole reset button. So for a size comparison, here's what it looks like next to a can. It's slightly shorter. Alright, so here's a speed test in my office. My internet speed from my ISP is 200 by 10, in case you're wondering. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. We got more than 200 by 10, so that's pretty good. Alright, so now let's do a range/speed test in my backyard. Sorry if the video is not in focus at times, it was very cold and wet outside. And we're still getting those great speeds, so that is super impressive. Just look at it go. Quick question, which router do you have? Comment and let me know. Alright, there we go. Pretty good speeds. So now let's travel halfway to the fence and run another speed test. Here we go. Speeds are still very good from this distance. I could set up a camp back here and still have internet. So there it is. Now let's go all the way to the end of the fence and do another test. Let's go. So if I had to guess how far this fence is from the house, it's probably over 200 feet. And look at that, still pulling in those fast speeds. On top of that, I still have 3 full bars of Wi-Fi. Just look at it go. There it is, very good speeds. Alright, so now I'm in my car in the garage. Let's do another speed test. It's a lot of walls for the signal to go through, plus the car. So if you have a Tesla, it wouldn't be a problem downloading software updates to your car. Speeds are looking good. This Wi-Fi 6 mesh system is very nice. Excellent range and speeds, no doubt. There it is. Alright, so this is my previous TP-Link AX20 Wi-Fi 6 router. I've been using it for a while now and had no issues with it at all. Now for the setup process, first go to your app store and download the TP-Link Deco app. Once opened, go to sign up and create an account. Once you're logged in, click Let's Begin and allow this right here. Click I've already given local network permissions. Click Let's Begin and select your Deco X20 right here. Here it tells you what you need. Click Next. Next step, unplug the power from your modem. Make sure to disconnect your old router from the modem. Connect the Ethernet cable from your modem to your Deco, but don't plug the power cable in yet. This is where that Ethernet cable from the Deco plugs into the modem. Once your modem and old router are disconnected, click Next. Right here, you want to plug your Deco and modem in and let them power up. So let's plug them in. Now just click Next. Make sure the lights on your modem are solid. If not, then give it a minute. Once the lights are solid, click Internet LED is stable. Right here, make sure the light on the Deco is pulsing blue. If it's yellow, give it a minute. When it's blue, click Deco's LED is pulsing blue. Next up, we'll connect to the Deco's Wi-Fi. Let's go back over to settings and under Wi-Fi, look for Deco and select it. There it's connected, so let's go back into the Deco app. Click I have connected. Right here, select the location of your main Deco. I will choose office for mine. Connection type, just click next. Click next. Here is where you create your network name and password. Click next and it will create the network. Alright, once that's done, click connect. Click join. Your network is now set up. Congrats. Click next. Oh, looks like the pencil died. Oh well, just tap next. Now let's connect the other Decos to the network. I'll put one downstairs and one upstairs in a different room. All you have to do is plug them in and they automatically connect within 2 minutes. Just look for the green light on the Decos, then click got it. Alright, so I have all Decos connected. So to check and make sure everything is connected properly, just tap internet. Right here you can see they're all online. 1, 2, 3. This is the green light you're looking for on your Decos to know if they're connected properly. After everything is set up, make sure to update the Decos if you see one available. Tap download firmware. Tap install. Then your Decos are up to date. Here are some extras. Just tap home here. You can turn on antivirus and parental controls. So overall, it's a great product. It definitely got my stamp of approval. You know I give you honest tech reviews, nothing biased. So if you're in the market for a mesh system, definitely check this one out. If you have one already, let me know what you think about it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment and let me know what you think. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter at LamarMK. As always, thanks for watching, stay safe and peace out.